Hi everyone, welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction. I know you've done some lovely work with Mr. Beish and with Ms. Mayer earlier in the week looking at subtraction, but now it's time to look at addition as well. We did addition a couple of weeks ago in school, so this shouldn't be new to you. So let's have a look and see what we'll be doing today. For this lesson, you're going to need some paper, pencils, a rubber just in case, and if you'd like to, you could get 20 objects. So you could have 20 buttons, or 20 toy cars, or 20 teddy bears, or even 20 pieces of pasta, or 20 cornflakes. Something that you can have 20 of. You don't need to have it, you could just draw things if you'd like to. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at the symbols that we're going to use today in our number sentences. So what does this one mean? That's right, it means add. And when we add two numbers together, two parts together, we get a new whole number. So our number is usually bigger. This symbol means subtract. And when we subtract, we start with a whole and we take things away so we find out what is left and our number gets smaller. This symbol is the equals symbol, and that just tells us what our answer is. So it tells us how many we have all together or how many we have left, depending on our number sentence. So let's make a start. First of all, we'll have a look at addition again and recap what we've done before. So my number sentence, just get my pointer, says 6 add 4 equals. So I've used a number track. I'll just move my screen up out of the way. There we go. I've used a number track to help me with my addition and subtraction today. You could draw a number track, or you could use your objects, or you could draw some pictures. It's totally up to you. So first of all, I need to get 6, don't I? So I could have 6 objects. I could draw 6 circles. I know some of you like to draw dots, which is really helpful. Whatever works for you. I've used triangles, just like Miss Mayer did yesterday. So those are my 6 triangles. Now my number sentence says I need to add 4. So that means I need to get 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you see the last triangle sits on the number 10. So I think that my answer is 10, but I can check that by counting the triangles. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 10. Did you get that answer too? Lovely. Let's try this one. 10 add 5. 10 add 5. So there's my number track. I'm starting with 10. So what you need to do now is get 10 of something. Either draw 10 dots, 10 triangles, or get your 10 objects. You can pause the video if you need more time. There are my 10 triangles. I've put them on my number track. Now it says add. So I need to add 5 more, which means I need to get 5 more. So you go ahead and get 5 more of whatever you're doing. I'll start getting mine now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 more triangles. I'm just going to count to make sure that I do have 15. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So my answer is 15. If you haven't already, you can write your answer down too. Be careful of those 15s. I know sometimes we get them a little bit muddled up and put them the wrong way around. But keep practicing and you will get there. 10 add 5 equals 15. We'll do one more addition and then we'll practice subtraction again. This time my number sentence says 14 add 4 equals. There's my number track. How many do I need to get to start with? That's right, I need 14. So you need to get 14 too. Okay, there's my 14. Have you got yours? Excellent. So I know this says add, and add means get more. So I need to get this many more. And this number is 4. You're right. 14 add 4. Do you want to go and get 4 more of whatever you're counting? I'll start adding mine now too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I can see here that my triangle is sitting on the number 18, so I think my answer is 18. Shall I check? Can you help me count? Excellent, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So my answer is 18. Great. Now we'll move on to subtraction. So if when we're adding, we get more of something, when we subtract, we take something away, don't we? So let's see if we can practice that. So my number sentence says 7 subtract or take away 7 subtract 3 equals. Here's my number track. So this time we always need to get whatever the first number says. So my first number says 7. So I've got my 7 triangles again. But this time, because it says subtract, I've got to take some away. So I've got to cross out how many? Yeah, 3. I've got to cross out 3. So you've got to either cross out 3 at home or take 3 things away, depending if you're using objects or whether you're drawing. Let's have a look. Let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So I know I can't count these numbers anymore, these triangles, because I've got a big cross through them. My last triangle is sitting on number 4, so I think that's my answer, but let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I read my number sentence all together, it says 7 take away 3 equals 4. Everything okay so far? You getting it? Superstars. Let's go. Oh, it came up the wrong way then. Never mind, I've got my number track and I've got my number sentence. It says 12 take away 6. So can you go and get your 12 objects or draw your 12 pictures? Super. I'll just get mine. There's my 12. This time we need to take away 6. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've taken away my 6 triangles. Have you taken away 6 at home? Super. Let's count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 6. That's great. Well done. We'll do one last one to practice and then I'll tell you what your activity for today will be. This is a tricky one because this time we're starting with 20. So take your time and count out 20 of whatever you're using. I'll just get mine. Have you got your 20? Super. So my number sentence says 20 take away 9 or 20 subtract 9. So that means I've got to subtract 9 of these things and take them off. Once you've got your 20, you can start taking away 9 with me. Let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've taken away my 9. My last triangle is sitting on number 11, so that should be my answer, but let's check anyway, because I know not all of you have number tracks. So get your objects that you have left and count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's my answer. I hope that's helped you remember how to add and subtract. Today your activities will be underneath this video. And just the same as yesterday, you will have a different activity depending on which group you're in at school. So mice, you're looking for the mouse. Foxes, you're looking for a fox. Owls, you're looking for an owl. Snakes, you're looking for a snake. And gruffalos, you're looking for the gruffalo. Have fun working out these number problems. And remember, if you'd like us to see what you've been doing at home, your parents can take pictures and videos and send them to school. I've loved seeing so many of you doing your work, and I've loved talking to you about your work. You're all doing such a super job. Keep it up, and we'll see you really, really soon. Bye-bye.